Question number 3. Question number 3. Now, before solving question 3, what was my first question? A will take 18 days to complete the task. B will take 36 days to complete the same task. If both A and B are working together, how many days they will take to complete the task? This was the first question. What will be the third question? Third question will be the reverse of first question. That means in the first question, A individual days is given, B individual days is given. Together they are asking you in the question. In the third question, together days is given. Suppose for example, A plus B together is 30 days. A individually it is, let me take some number, 90 days. Let me ask you how much is B individual. I hope the question is very, very clear for you people. The first question and third question, they are reverses of each other. Now see here, let it be reverse or whatever. If you know the concept, the approach remains the same. Now see here, LCM of 30 and 90. Bigger number is a multiple of smaller number. So LCM is directly the bigger number. I will assume that 90 chocolates need to be distributed. A plus B. To distribute 90 chocolates, A and B together will take 30 days. 90 divided by 30. It is 3 units per day or 3 chocolates per day. A alone. To distribute 90 chocolates, he will take 90 days. 90 divided by 90 is 1 chocolate per day. Now think little logically, you will get the answer, my dear students. A plus B, I and you, we both together will distribute 3 chocolates in a day. In that, I alone will distribute only 1 chocolate. We both together is 3. I alone is 1. That means remaining 2 should be distributed by you only, right? So your capacity is 2 chocolates per day. What is the meaning of 2 chocolates per day? In one day, he will distribute 2 chocolates. In one day, he will distribute 2 chocolates to complete 90 chocolates which are there in the box. How many days he will take? He will take 45 days because 2 multiplied by which number is 45? 2 multiplied by which number is 90? 2 multiplied by 45 is only 90, or 90 divided by 2 is how much? It is 45 days. The most easiest way of solving questions in time and work is by the concept of LCM without using any fractions. I consider question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 as a basic question. After 3 questions, slowly, I am not saying that immediately I will jump on to the toughest question in time and work. Slowly, I will increase the level. My next question will be slightly 1 level above the first 3 questions. But before that, I want 50 plus or 40 plus students who are listening to the class to comment in the live chat if it is clear for you people. Kindly comment in the live chat. I am just seeing the comment in my mobile. I think there is a delay of some 10 seconds or 15 seconds. I am not sure how much time there is a delay. But in my mobile, I can see that there is some delay. Anyway, so kindly comment in the live chat. The most important thing is communicating with you people. If that is done, that is sufficient. As long as the 10-15 delay is there, I am okay with that. No issues. Sharat Kumar says it is clear. Pradeep says clear. Madhu Mohan says it is clear. Yusuf clear. Sharat says 15 to 20 seconds delay. My God. Gaurav Sharma says it is clear. Satyanarayan says it is clear. Sriram Bharatwaj says clear. Experience make you talk says absolutely clear. Priyanshi says it is yes sir. Sriram 10 seconds. Anil Kumar says clear. Beautiful. Many people have commented as clear. Beautiful. Let me quickly go on to the next set of questions. See here. Question number 4. Listen to this very, very carefully. I want you people to pay a little more extra attention for this question. See here. The reason why am I saying this question has come many times in many examinations, probably with the change in numerical values. The numbers are different, but the question is the same and the approach is the same. Now see here, the question is like this. If both A and B are working together, they will take 12 days to complete the task. If both B and C are working together, they will take 15 days to complete the task. If both C and A are working together, they will take 20 days to complete the task. Your question is, if all three people are working together, how many days they will take? This will be the question in the exam, but let me make the question even more complicated. If A is working alone, how many days? B working alone, how many days? C working alone, how many days? This is the question. I hope the question is clear for my students first. After the question is clear, now comes the solution. Listen to it very, very carefully. I do not want to use 1 by 12, 1 by 15 method. LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 60. 60 chocolate needs to be distributed. A plus B. To distribute 60 chocolates, A and B will take 12 days. It is 5 units per day. B and C will take 15 days. It is 4 units per day. C and A will take 20 days. It is 3 units per day. Now, I hope till here it is clear for all of you. Now, let me add on both sides. If I add it on both sides, it becomes A plus A, B plus B, C plus C. It is 2A plus 2B plus 2C. If I take 2 common factor, 2 into A plus B plus C. Right hand side is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. It is 12 units per day. So, A plus B plus C will be equal to this left hand side 2 which is multiplied will come to the right hand side. 12 divided by 2 is 6 units per day. I hope everyone is supreme clear till this point without having any doubts. Now, A plus B plus C is 6 units per day. This is more than sufficient for me to solve all the questions which are asked in the question. Now, what is the first question? If all the 3 people are working together, how many days they will take to complete the task? Now, see here. When all the 3 people are working together, in one day they will distribute 6 chocolates. In one day it is 6 chocolates. To complete 60 chocolates, how many days? It is 10 days. Because 6 into 10 only 60, right? Can 6 into 7 be 60? No, it cannot be possible. Answer for the first question is 10 days. Now, if I want to find A alone, keep A as it is. And what is B plus C? B plus C is nothing but 4 units per day. Substitute. A plus 4 is 6. So A will be equal to 6 minus 4. It is 2 units per day. In one day, A will distribute 2 chocolates. To complete 60 chocolates, A will take 30 days because 2 into 30 is only 60. Similarly, if you want to find B alone, keep B as it is. What is A plus C? A plus C is nothing but 3 units per day. So B plus 3 is 6. So B will be equal to 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3 units per day. In one day, he will distribute 3 chocolates. To complete all the 60 chocolates in the box, it is 20 days. Because 3 into 20 is only 60, right? Can 3 into 24 be 60? No, it's not possible. Similarly, the last value, if you want to find C alone, keep C as it is. How much is A plus B? A plus B is nothing but 5 units per day. C plus 5 is 6. C is equal to 6 minus 5. It is 1 unit per day. In one day, it is 1 chocolate. To complete 60 chocolates, C will take 60 days. Beautiful way of solving problem. Suppose, let me tell you this statement. Suppose, for example, if this question is given for you in the examination, which actually had come many times in the examination, if this question is given for you in the examination, if you cannot solve this question within 10 to 15 seconds of time, your approach to the question is incorrect. Very, very bluntly, I will say this. You are moving in a wrong direction by using 1 by 12, 1 by 15 and 1 by 20. And if you cannot solve it in 15 to 20 seconds of time, you are going in a wrong direction. My sincere request for all my students, right after the class is completed, you should take the same question number 4. You should put it in your paper. You should try to solve this question by using method 1 as 1 by 12, 1 by 15 and 1 by 20. You will realize the pain of it. You will realize the pain of solving this question by method 1 only when you try to solve it by using method 1. And I want you people to do it as an exercise, because I always believe that Only when you come through pain, you will have the success. Only when you see that there is a road which is dirty, you will feel that another road which is not that dirty will be as so beautiful. When you have such kind of comparisons, when you know that the other road is very, very difficult to travel, then only you will know that this concept of LCM or this road to LCM is a beautiful road to travel. I hope I am making sense for all the students. Kindly comment in the live chat before I quickly move on to question number 5. Kindly comment, my dear students. Kindly comment in the live chat. Now just tell me if my audio is proper. I hope you are not facing any issues with audio right now. Because there was an issue with audio sometime before. I hope now there is no issue. Sharath says it is clear. Pradeep says it is clear. Gaurav says it is clear. Ashwan says excellent, sir. Thank you, Ashwan. You will see so many beautiful concepts coming forward. Venkatesh says it is clear. 5 out of 40, 7 out of 40. 7 out of 40 students have commented. Approximately 1 by 6. Only 16% of students have commented. Beautiful. Now see here. Let me try to connect the dots between the problem. I always have a habit of connecting the dots between the problem so that your understanding will be excellent and you will also learn it so beautifully. Now see here. What is the fourth question? Fourth question is A plus B is 12 days. Okay. Let me take fifth question. Fifth question also is A plus B 12 days. Okay. There is no change in A plus B value in both the questions. Okay. Beautiful. Fourth question, B plus C is 15 days. Right? 15 days. That means basically what I am trying to say here is in the fourth question, A plus B value is given as some data. B plus C value is also given as some data. In the fifth question also, let me give some data for B plus C. For example, let me not take the same data as 15 days. Let me take it as 8 days, for example. Right? Now, in the fourth question, C plus A value is given. Suppose if I give you C plus A value in the fifth question also, then what is the difference between fourth and fifth question? Absolutely the same question. Once again, I am doing with change in numerical value. That is your assignment. But I will reverse the question. In the fourth question, C plus A is given. In the fifth question, C plus A is asked. Similarly, in the fourth question, A plus B plus C was asked in the question. In the fifth question, A plus B plus C is given as some days. For example, 6 days. I hope you understood the difference between fourth and fifth question. There is a beautiful connection of dots between the fourth and fifth question, which is nothing but the fourth and fifth are reverses of each other. In fourth, C plus A was given, A plus B plus C was asked. In fifth, A plus B plus C is given, C plus A is asked. Now see here, I already told you, let it be reverse or let it be whatever. I know only one beautiful approach, that is the concept of LCM. LCM of 12, 8 and 6. Big 24 is a multiple of 8, 24 is also a multiple of 6. So LCM is 24. 24 chocolate needs to be distributed. So A plus B is equal to 24 divided by 12. It is 2 units per day. B plus C is equal to 24 divided by 8. It is 3 units per day. A plus B plus C is equal to 24 divided by 6. It is 4 units per day. Till here, there should be no doubt for any student. Now, very simple way of solving. No difficulty at all. What is the question? In the question, they are asking you C plus A. What is the meaning of C plus A? C plus A means first to find out the capacity of C. Next to find out the capacity of A. And then find out the capacity of both the people together. That's the meaning of C plus A, right? Is there any difficulty in that? No. So, first let us find out the capacity of C. If you want to find the capacity of C, keep C as it is. What is A plus B? A plus B is 2 units per day. 2 plus C is equal to 4. C value will be 4 minus 2. It is 2 units per day. So efficiency or the capacity of C is 2 units per day. Next, find out A value. Keep A as it is. A plus B plus C value is known to us as 3 units per day as per the question. A plus 3 is equal to 4. A will be equal to 4 minus 3. It is 1 unit per day. Now I know C's capacity individually. I know A's capacity individually. Together C plus A is 2 plus 1. It is 3 units per day. The meaning of 3 units per day is in one day they will distribute 3 chocolates. In one day it is 3 chocolates. To complete 24 days, 24 units, they will take how many days? They will take 8 days. Most beautiful way of solving the question in time and work, and I want you people to solve it in this method itself whenever you encounter any question on time and work from now on. Kindly comment in the live chat if it is clear for you people. Now before that, now see here, let us try to convert this question number 5 to question number 4 format, right? So that means if I want to convert to question number 4, I should know C plus A value. I should find out A plus B plus C value, right? Let us convert it. So A plus B will be 12 days as per the question. B plus C is given in the question as 8 days. C plus A we actually don't know, but we have found out just now as 8 days, right? We have found out. So we are cross-checking whether our answer is right or wrong. Now, A plus B plus C is given in the question as 6 days, but let us convert it to 4th question type and let us find and check whether we are getting 6 days as answer or not. Very simple, right? Very simple. Now see here, 12, 8 and 8. LCM is once again 24. So 24 by 12, it is 2 units per day. 24 by 8, it is 3 units per day. 24 by 8, it is 3 units per day. If I add A plus A, B plus B, C plus C, it is 2 into A plus B plus C. Right hand side is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. It is 8 units per day. So A plus B plus C will be equal to 8 divided by 2. It is 4 units per day. The meaning of 4 units per day is in one day they are distributing 4 chocolates. To complete 24 chocolates, they will take how many days? They will take 6 days. And the 6 days itself is exactly what was given in the question earlier also. I hope the concept is very, very clear for all the students who are listening to the class. Kindly comment in the live chat if it is clear for you people. Harish is asking me to repeat once. Harish, is it still not clear for you? Kindly comment in the live chat if it is still not clear for you, Harish. Just give me a minute. Harish. Others also, please comment in the live chat if it is clear for you people. Pradeep says clear. Vishwanath says clear. Gaurav says clear. Satish and Bharatwaj also says clear. Beautiful. Let us move on to the next problem. Now see here. Now before moving on to the next problem, what was the 4th question? I will again come back to the 4th question and try to connect the dots. I will make it as a habit to connect the dots for you people so that you will learn so effectively. What was the 4th question? A plus B 12 days, B plus C 15 days, C plus A 20 days. Okay. Let me write the same data. A plus B 12 days, B plus C 15 days, C plus A 20 days. Now, this is question number 6. In the 4th question, they have asked you to find A plus B plus C and A alone, B alone and C alone. In the 6th question, I will change a little bit in the question. Now, after this data, the question is, they all worked together. For they all worked together for 6 days and then A left. They all worked together for 6 days and then A left. Your question is, in how many days can B and C complete the remaining work? Listen to this kind of questions very, very carefully. We will solve some very difficult questions also in this variety in our upcoming classes if I take classes, right? They all worked together for 6 days and then A left. In how many days can B and C complete the remaining work? Now see here. First of all, this data is absolutely same as the 4th question. So LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 60 chocolates. So A plus B, all these things remain the same exactly like 4th question. A plus B 60 by 12, 5. B plus C 60 by 15, 4. C plus A 60 by 20, it is 3. So left hand side is 2 into A plus B plus C. Right hand side is 12. So A plus B plus C is 6 chocolates per day. 12 divided by 2. Till here in the 4th question, it is absolutely same. There is no difference in the steps in the 4th question and the 6th question till this point of a time. That means we came to know that A plus B plus C is 6 units per day. Now, what is the next statement given in the question? Please read the next statement, my dear students. The question says, they all worked together for how many days? They all worked together for 6 days. That means when all the 3 people are working together, in one day they are distributing 6 chocolates. In one day they are distributing 6 chocolates. They are totally working together for 6 days. In one day it is 6 chocolates. In 6 days it is 6 into 6 chocolates. 36 chocolates are distributed by all the 3 people working together. Totally 60 chocolates were there in the box initially. 36 are done and dusted right now. Remaining is 60 minus 36. It is 24 chocolates. Now, who is leaving the work? Question says A left the work. Now A is no more interested in continuing to work because of some personal reasons he left the work. Question is, in how many days can B and C complete the remaining work? How much is remaining right now? Remaining is only 24 chocolates inside the box. And to distribute these 24 chocolates, only B and C are working. And we know the capacity of B and C as 4 units per day. In one day, they can distribute 4 chocolates to complete the remaining 24 chocolates. How many days they will take? They will take 6 days. Because 4 into which number is 24? 4 into 6 is 24. Or 24 divided by 4 is, it is 6 days. Answer for this question is 6 days. One of the most beautiful questions that can be solved in time and work is what you are listening today. I hope the concept is very, very clear for all the students who is